Differences between multiple sclerosis and GB syndrome. Multiple sclerosis is a chronic disease characterized by inflammation, demyelination, gliosis, and neuronal loss. Whereas GB syndrome is an autoimmune demyelinating polyradiculopathy affecting the peripheral motor and the sensory nerves. Multiple sclerosis is a UMN lesion, which is an upper motor neuron lesion, which means it affects the brain and the spinal cord, whereas GB syndrome is a lower motor neuron lesion, that is LMN lesion, and it affects the peripheral motor and the sensory nerves. The muscle tone in multiple sclerosis is spastic, therefore clonus might be present. Muscle tone in GB syndrome is usually flaccid. Superficial reflexes in multiple sclerosis is absent, with a positive Babinski sign may be noticed. Deep tendon reflexes in GB syndrome are absent. The oculomotor, trochlear and the abducent nerve, which is the third, fourth and the sixth cranial nerves, are affected. Therefore, ptosis, double vision, also called as diplopia, nystagmus, 1.5 eye syndrome might be present. The fifth nerve is affected, which is the trigeminal nerve, might result in trigeminal neuralgia. Clinical features of multiple sclerosis. If the motor nerves are affected, it can result in limb ataxia, gait ataxia, tremors, and exercise-induced weakness. If the sensory nerves are affected, pricking, tingling sensation, formications, and paresthesia might be present. Bowel and bladder disturbances are also seen. Dysphagia, which is difficulty in swallowing. Dysarthria, which is difficulty in speaking articulated words. Dysphonia, which is difficulty in producing vocal sounds. Clinical features of GB syndrome include ascending paralysis, respiratory failure, cardiac arrhythmias, facial palsy, neck, back, shoulder pain, glove and stocking paresthesia, wherein the distalmost parts of the body are going to be more affected as compared to the proximal part. For example, in the upper limbs, the palms, and in the lower limbs, the toes or the feet. And the other features include dysphagia, dysarthria, and diarrhea. Reflexes in multiple sclerosis is usually hyperreflexive, and reflexes in GB syndrome is usually hyporeflexive. Clinical types of multiple sclerosis include the relapsing remitting multiple sclerosis, progressive multiple sclerosis, under which we have primary progressive multiple sclerosis and secondary progressive multiple sclerosis. The third one is the progressive relapsing multiple sclerosis. Then we have benign multiple sclerosis and malignant multiple sclerosis. Let's see the clinical types of GB syndrome. The first one is AIDP, which is acute inflammatory demyelinating polyneuropathy, acute motor axonal neuropathy, acute motor sensory axonal neuropathy, acute pan-automatic neuropathy, and the Miller-Fisher syndrome.